Okay, so what we're going to do now with the CZ Scorpion 3 Plus carbine is we're going to remove the stock grip and we're going to stick a magpul one on there. So you'll need the Allen wrench tool that comes in your CZ kit. Very easy. We're going to take it out. There. It should pop right out. Very easy. This is the magpul aftermarket. It's got a lot more grip on it. I'm just going to stick it in right there. Make sure it goes in all right. Down. Okay. It's in there. Tight. Doesn't move. Good. Much better grip on it now. Fits your hand a lot nicer. I recommend it.